Ever stared at your screen, wanting to dive into the world of crypto, but got stuck at the first hurdle, how to actually get your money into that shiny new trading platform? Yeah, we've all been there. You've got your Bitcoin dreams, your Ethereum aspirations, maybe even a little Dogecoin curiosity, but the how-to of funding your account feels like navigating a digital maze. You're not alone. Let's face it, the crypto world can feel intimidating, especially when it comes to the practical stuff like transferring funds. You've probably seen countless videos with jargon-filled explanations, complex diagrams, and frankly, enough technical terms to make your head spin. But what if there was a simple, straightforward way to understand the process? What if you could finally bridge the gap between your bank account and your crypto wallet with confidence? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. We're going to focus on Nuggs, a popular Canadian cryptocurrency platform, and demystify the process of transferring your hard-earned cash into your account. No fluff, no jargon, just clear, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly understand why Nuggs is a platform worth considering. It's designed to be user-friendly, especially for beginners. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and prides itself on its transparency and security. But even the best platform is useless if you can't fund your account. So, let's get you funded. The first thing you'll need, obviously, is a Nuggs account. If you don't have one yet, pause this video, head over to their website or app, and sign up. The process is straightforward, requiring your basic information and verification. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can transfer money into Nuggs. The primary methods are through Interac e-transfer or wire transfer. For most users, Interac e-transfer will be the quickest and easiest option. It's the same method you probably use to send money to friends and family, making it familiar and comfortable. Let's walk through the Interac e-transfer process step by step. Step 1. Navigate to the funding section. Open the Nuggs app or log into your account on your computer. Look for the funding or deposit section. It's usually located in the main menu or dashboard. Once you've found it, click on it. Step 2. Select Interac e-transfer. You'll be presented with a list of funding options. Select Interac e-transfer. This will bring up the necessary information for you to complete the transfer. Step 3. Note the recipient information. Nuggs will provide you with the recipient's name, email address, and a unique reference code. This reference code is crucial. It tells Nuggs that the money is coming from you and ensures it's credited to your account. Copy this reference code carefully. You'll need it in the next step. Step 4. Open your online banking app or website. Now, switch to your online banking app or website. Log into your account as you normally would. Step 5. Initiate an Interac e-transfer. Find the Interac e-transfer or send money option within your banking platform. This is usually located in the Transfers or Payments section. Step 6. Enter the recipient information. This is where you'll use the information provided by Nuggs. Enter the recipient's name and email address exactly as shown on the Nuggs funding page. Step 7. Enter the reference code. This is the most important step. In the message or memo field, paste or type the unique reference code that Nuggs provided. This ensures that the funds are correctly attributed to your Nuggs account. Step 8. Enter the amount. Specify the amount of Canadian dollars you want to transfer. Double-check that you've entered the correct amount. Step 9. Review and send. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Step 10. Wait for confirmation. After you've sent the e-transfer, you'll receive a confirmation from your bank. Nuggs will also send you an email notification once the funds have been credited to your account. This usually happens within a few minutes, though it can sometimes take longer depending on your bank and network traffic. Now, let's address a few common questions and potential issues you might encounter. What if I don't see the funds in my Nuggs account? First, double-check that you entered the correct reference code. This is the most common reason for delays. If the code is correct and you've waited for a reasonable amount of time, usually within an hour, contact Newton's customer support. They can help you track down the transfer and resolve any issues. Are there any fees associated with Interac e-transfer? Newton typically doesn't charge fees for Interac e-transfers. However, your bank might charge a fee depending on your account type. Check with your bank to confirm their fee structure. What about wire transfers? Wire transfers are generally used for larger amounts of money. They involve transferring funds directly from your bank account to Newton's bank account. This method is slower than Interac e-transfer, often taking several business days to process. Newton will provide you with the necessary bank details if you choose this option. It is important to note that banks typically charge higher fees for wire transfers. Can I use a credit card or debit card? Currently, Newton primarily supports funding through Interac e-transfer and wire transfer. Credit card and debit card options may be introduced in the future, but for now, stick with the methods we've discussed. Security tips. It's crucial to prioritize security when transferring funds. Always double-check the recipient information and reference code. Never share your banking credentials or Newton account details with anyone. Use strong, unique passwords for your accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, don't hesitate to contact Newton's customer support. They're there to help you resolve any problems and ensure a smooth funding experience. Beyond funding, what's next? Once your funds are in your Newton account, you're ready to start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. You can buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets. Take your time to research different cryptocurrencies and develop a trading strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency involves risks. Do your own research, understand the market, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The process of transferring money into Newton is designed to be simple and straightforward. By following the steps we've outlined, you can confidently fund your account and begin your cryptocurrency journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.